So I'm walking in my neighborhood in Alexandria, Virginia, and I'm on King Street, and I decide, you know what? I am going to take a stroll through Ivy Hill Cemetery. And that is because this particular cemetery is one of the oldest cemetery in Alexandria, Virginia. And I love it because it's quiet. And I know that a cemetery isn't the ideal walking destination for many people. But what I love about Ivy Hill Cemetery are the rolling hills, the mature trees, and just a sense of calm and serenity. While cemeteries in general are places of remembrance, I often find them to be quite beautiful and a place to just reflect on life. What better place to do that, right? To reflect on how short life is, and a reminder to do the things that you enjoy doing in your life, to get up and move your body, to stay healthy and strong, and to connect with nature. I've ran through this cemetery several times, and let me tell you, it really is a workout. So many rolling hills. It's also cute how they have different street signs. The property is just incredible. That cute little gazebo down there. I'm telling you, cemeteries are some of the best places for a walk, to reflect, to find peace and tranquility, to sit and read. because of all these beautiful mature streets, and not mature streets but mature trees, I cannot talk today, and hidden paths, it's also very shaded here. So even though it is 85, I think close to 90 degrees today, it does not feel that way at all. It feels incredible cool. And I'm just doing one big loop. There are several different streets, hidden paths, and alleys that you can go up and down. But I'm just going to do one big loop today because I've already been walking for a solid 5 miles already. It's just a nice afternoon walk. You can see this loop will take you all the way back up, but we're going to go further down and then make that big loop back up to King Street. So many different paths that you can take. remember some time ago I was out running and I was not in the best of spirits. I was feeling a bit down that day, and I was running, and as runners sometimes you zone out, but for some reason when I got to this spot right here, I saw this faith. And for me, it was just a reminder to have faith that everything is going to work out in life. And by the time I finished my run, I felt so much better. And guess what? It did work out. If you're ever home on a hot day and you feel like going outside, but the humidity and the heat is preventing you from getting out there, think about exploring a cemetery, because many times cemeteries are very shaded and it feels so much cooler. And again, it's a place to just reflect, to find beauty, and to remember that life is precious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.